Assalamualaikum viewers, I'm Dr. Sakina and today we are going to introduce you to a very innovative way to restore your hair, to make a lot of collagen in your skin. आजकल सारे लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम फेस हो रहा होता है कि they are getting so many PRPs done on the face, on the scalp, but still they are not happy with the results. Reason being कि अगर आपके अपने ही ब्लड में चीज़ें डेफिशिएंट है और हम उसको उठा के आपकी बॉडी में, आपके स्कैल्प में, फेस पे इंजेक्ट कर रहे हैं and it is not giving results, that means that you need something else other than PRP. So what is that something else? That is exosomes. So the exosomes which I am going to show you, it comes in this special package and this is exovex or exovex. It contains up to 5 billion cells injected inside your scalp or inside your skin. They make new collagen, lot of growth factors, जिसके अंदर ये मतलब ये समझ ले कि इट्स अ फुल पोशन, मैजिक पोशन है जिसके अंदर ढेर सारे ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स है. तो जब हम आपके बालों में ये इंजेक्ट करेंगे, it is going to renew your hair. So who are the candidates? All those patients who are suffering from hair fall, baldness हो रही है और वो PRPs करवा कर थक गए हैं. Even I have so many patients who have been through other stem cell therapies and they are not getting good result. Other stem cell therapies means कि there are few procedures जिसमें आपके अपने ही stem cells लेते हैं और उसके बाद आपके बालों में इंजेक्ट करते हैं. I have patients saying कि हमें उससे भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा. So these synthetic growth factors, these are there to rescue you from such issues, and those patients who do not want to go under the knife or those patients who do not want to opt for the invasive procedures, this is the best therapy, and it is a procedure which you can get it done once in a year, and then you can complement it with other procedures like PRP, and it has excellent results. And I'm going to show you how we do it in our setup, and it is exclusively available at Dr. Sakina's clinic and walk. Thank you.